Hello everybody. In this video, I will be presenting all the basic facts about grooming. How would you look presentable at all times? Look your best at all times and at all occasions, whether you are in a social setting or in a formal setting. Welcome to True Lessons, your go-to place for upskilling courses. Most people think that good grooming is equal to good clothes, that is branded clothes. You would think, oh, if I wear branded clothes or fashionable clothes, will I not make an impression? Will people not notice me? Let me answer that question for you. Yes, you will be noticed for your good clothes, branded clothes. But what if you have body odor? Will it not make a bad impression? So, this is because grooming is not all about your clothes. For example, if you walk into a room but have not paid attention to your body odor, then people will start avoiding you. Let me quickly tell you what all you have to do to look well groomed from head to toe. First, we start with the hair. Men and women, boys and girls, if you have short hair, keep them neat and clean and well styled. If you have long hair, keep them tied and well groomed, brushed, clean, everything. The idea is that in a formal setting, such as in a school or a college, at your place of work, you don't want to distract others, neither do you want to be distracted. So you should not let hair fall into your eyes or look disheveled so that other people are distracted by your looks. In the evening or in a social setting, by all means style your hair in whichever way you want to. Make sure your hair is well washed and clean. Don't let anybody notice that your hair is unclean or disheveled. Next is bad breath. Bad breath is a huge communication barrier. Brush your teeth every day. Keep your teeth clean, especially when you're going to meet somebody. Carry mints, cloves, elaichi or cardamom. Carry a small box with you so that you can pop it into your mouth before meeting somebody, so that your breath smells fresh. Suppose you're meeting somebody over a meal, say a lunch or a dinner meeting. Then keep sipping water and cleanse your mouth because you might be eating something with garlic or onion and it will smell bad. So keep cleansing your mouth. When you get an opportunity, just go to the washroom, rinse your mouth so that your teeth remain clean and the other person does not feel inhibited in talking to you. Bad breath makes people around you feel uncomfortable and awkward. If you are meeting somebody for a romantic date and your breath smells awful and your teeth are not clean, chances are you will not get a second date. Along with bad breath, be mindful of body odor. If you smell bad, use deodorant or some kind of perfume to keep smelling nice. Now, if you've had a strenuous workout, like you go to the gym or you've gone jogging, come back, take a shower and then only go to work or to meet somebody. Even if you're lounging around at home, after a gym or after perspiring a lot, take a shower, clean yourself. For example, if you're at home and you've worked in the kitchen, on a hot day you will be perspiring a lot. You look dirty also. So it's better to clean up, wear new clothes and then look presentable. Now while you're meeting somebody over a meal, suppose you drop something on your dress. You stain your clothes with sauce or turmeric or curry. Then you should be mindful of that. Immediately wipe your stain with a piece of cloth or paper napkin. Excuse yourself, try and wash it off. Apologize to the people around you so that they don't think that you're careless. When you apologize, they know that you're mindful that your dress has got stained. When you apologize to people, they like it because they realize that you're mindful of the stain and you'll get rid of it soon. This is also part of good grooming. The clothes that you wear need not be expensive. They can be simple, everyday clothes, formal wear to office and school and college, And you can wear party wear or evening wear for social outings. For example, you'll dress differently for a wedding, for a party, but be mindful of what you wear while you're going to a formal occasion. Simple, neat and cleaned clothes should always be worn at all times. The rules don't change on any occasion. Your clothes should not look disheveled, unwashed, torn. Again, that gives a very bad vibe to the people around you. Lastly, remember your feet and hands. Make sure that your nails are trimmed and well kept, whether it's your fingernail or your toenail. Now, if you have long nails, make sure they are not too long and make sure they're trimmed to a respectable size and no dirt is there between the nails. Feet can smell very bad, especially if you've worn shoes and socks the whole day. So when you remove your shoes, don't lounge around in your socks, remove your socks as well. Go and clean your feet. Put lotion or some talcum powder to keep them fresh before you start roaming around the house or any place that you're going to. Now, there are times when you come from outside, it could be from some muddy place, or if it's raining, you have stepped into slush or some dirt. Then when you come into the house or to the office or to any room, wipe your feet well on the doormat. This is because you don't want to leave stains on the floor as you walk in and footprints, dirty footprints. Again, people will judge you if you walk in carelessly with dirty shoes and leaving footprints. They won't like it. Again, it becomes a barrier in communication. Therefore, make sure you're attentive. Now, once you come in or when you get a chance, just wipe it clean with some paper napkin or a newspaper if you are not able to wash them clean, so that when you're going back or when you're stepping out again the next day, there's no mud and your shoes are clean all the time. Now, why is it important to be well groomed at all times? Because poor grooming gives negative vibes to everybody. People start thinking of you as a slob, sloppy, careless. They've already made an impression about you. When you look presentable and you're neat and clean, you give positive vibes and people will start getting attracted towards you and like you. They will start giving you compliments and this will boost your confidence. So bye for now. In my next video, I will talk about the importance and impact of good grooming by giving you some real life experiences as well. Do log in to truelessons.io. If you like my video, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Put in your comments and queries in the comment section. Until next time, bye.